AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a simple solution to cut blisters to different sizes. A slitting assembly and a cut-to-length station precisely cuts blisters from a blister-forming machine. The material is guided into the assembly from a blister machine. Material then travels through a dancer accumulator under a set of idler rollers. Tension can be adjusted through the adjustable counterweight. A product sensor automatically pauses the unit when no material is present. A set of nip rollers pulls the material into the slitter station. Slitter assembly has a removable top shaft for easy setup, cleaning, and general maintenance. After material is pulled through the accumulator and slitter assembly, it is fed into the cut-to-length station. The up-cutting knife assembly cuts the capsule blister material into precise pieces. A verification sensor automatically shuts the unit down when no product is sensed exiting the knife assembly. Material falls down the exit chute. A light tower provides audible and visual alerts for operations. All components are mounted on a common aluminum plate and contained in a clear safety guarding. For easy installation, unit is mounted on an adjustable equipment stand with a hand crank. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.